beloved members in the ICT fraternity. My name is Kasule Bennett, an ICT teacher at Chebambe Girls in Fort Portal. I would like to say thank you to everyone who made it to the ICT Capacity Development Workshop that was held at Chebambe Girls on 6th July. Members came from many districts across Western Uganda: Kanungu, Ibanda, Kasese, Kamwenge, Bundibujo, members from Ontoroko, members from Chenjojo, Chegegwa, Kakumirwa, Chibale. Fort Portal, thank you very much for making it to Chebambe.
I am Kahwa James, a teacher of ICT and entrepreneurship at Rusekere Secondary School, Kabarole District. Generally, the workshop at Chebambe Secondary School, it has been a success. It started with registering new teachers on the website of ITAU, that is ictteachersug.net.
Registering on the website of the ICT Association. That website helps us to coordinate the association nationwide. And some members are able to register. Some of them have not yet managed. Maybe we'll try again during lunchtime or maybe get some time. But it's very important that you register here. I'm going to get and show you how you can use the website. When you register, what you can do on the website.
All the teachers who had not created accounts were helped to create accounts on the website. Proceedingly, Mr. Mkarele Rogers had to take them through a session of web designing and using Microsoft Expression Web. And most teachers appreciated that now they have got a new good software which can help them to teach learners design a website, a full website, in just 25 minutes.
For sure, most of us actually, we are there, we are teaching, but we didn't know how to design the website. It is through this information that has been given to us that will change us and will not remain the same.
But when the session started about the website, using the new software, for me, I didn't know that you can use Google Expression. And now I'm going to use this information and pass it on.
Websites is one of the topics in the O-level syllabus, but many teachers don't teach it. And as the association, we are looking at empowering our teachers to be able to do deliver in all the topics, such that wherever there are challenges, we can come in and fill the gap.
Are you going to define the code level? So new site. New what? New site. Find new site. Are you there? So you'll find general and you find templates. In publisher, we have been using what? Templates.
So the teachers were introduced to HTML, which is the main core language of the government, and then after that, we went ahead and looked at Microsoft Expression Web, which we saw as the best software for using at this level.
After lunch, we had the representatives from YAKA who took us through digital pedagogy, where teachers were availed with tools of delivering lessons and preparing lessons digitally.
YAKA Digital Network, headed by Mr. Usije Gerard, who led us through the session. The session was very engaging and many teachers gave us feedback. The main focus was teachers to know that they should be able to digitize their content. The old age of using chalk and ending there should be enhanced using ICTs. So teachers were encouraged to create videos, create digital content for e-learning.
And they were urged to go back to their schools as ambassadors to help these fellow teachers, the fellow teachers on their different stations, to create digital content not only for ICT but other subjects that are taught.
We heard about digital pedagogy using digital methods of teaching. This one is amazing because the ICT teacher, so many teachers are going to run to us as a solution, as people who are going to give a solution.
We have appreciated the fact that with the coming of computers, with the coming of internet, with the coming of smartphones, we can use our computers and internet and the smartphones to give the information to the learner that will be more helpful than this information we go and give them from the books. We have also appreciated that when the learner touches, feels the information you're giving, it does not leave him or her the same way that he or she came to the lesson. So as teachers of ICT, actually we have benefited. We don't only teach ICT, we have other subjects like physics, maths, entrepreneurship and others. So we are going to mix this information we've got. We are also going to borrow it and put it in other subjects like physics, so that while we are teaching we can have hands-on, so that our learners can benefit more from this.
We concluded with assessment briefly. We received the highlights on assessment from Mr. Kasule Bernard, head of ICT department, Chevambe Girls.
Mr. Kasule Bernard was the lead organizer of teacher at Chevambe Girls, who also led the session encouraging teachers the ICT teachers to be professional. See, many of the ICT teachers didn't qualify as teachers. Many teachers just found themselves in the classroom. Many ICT teachers. Others did IT, others did computer science, others were lab technicians, others were having diplomas in IT. But at the end of the day, they found themselves in the classroom. So they don't have the educational training. So Mr. Kasule Bernard had the teachers learn how to do skills, how to do lesson plans, and how to do everything.
You can't class without a scheme of work, you're gone. You have a fancy here. You can't class without a book of work, you're gone. A lesson plan. Now most of us we are too professional. Look at the lesson plan, even a scheme of work, some of us. So remember, some of those small things there are things that we must take into consideration whenever we are going to teach. Yes, we might look at them as big, small things, but yet they matter a lot. Now, besides that, ICT and computer, remember, we are in a very dynamic field. Very dynamic. You will tell a student something, student will get it. But tomorrow, student will make research to answer challenges you.
Now, members, that day we shared many things. Among them was ICT assessment and methods of teaching ICT. But before we look into the method part of it, as teachers, it is important that whenever you're going to deliver a lesson in class, you should be having a scheme of work. A scheme of work, it's just a subsection of what is picked from the syllabus. And therefore, this means that you cannot teach without a scheme of work. Now, usually this scheme of work is accompanied with a record of work and a lesson plan. A lesson plan, members, is very important in teaching. One, you'll find that it enables you to pick an appropriate topic from your scheme of work and you plan accordingly on how you're going to deliver that lesson. It contains many things like maybe reviewing of the lesson, activity of the teacher, activity of the learner. So many things are involved in a scheme of, in a lesson plan. Therefore, it becomes very important and paramount for a teacher to always have a lesson plan during the lesson. Now, members, I should say that one of the purposes of having capacity development workshops at regional level is that we are trying to reduce that burden of making members always move from those distant places to the central region to attend these workshops. And I should say this one actually has helped us reduce that burden.
Because most of us, by the way, missed out this event that took place in the central at Kororo SS. So bringing it down to Western actually is so benefiting to us, the teachers from the Western region, because
and teachers were given certificates of attendance. Each teacher also managed to get a CD which was containing notes, was containing softwares, which would help them to enhance teaching when they go back to their different stations.
We recognize there's a vacuum of teaching and learning resources for ICT. So the association, we give resources to the teachers. We have some flash disks, which we are calling the master flash disks, which have been subsidized, which are all the software the school needs. And we also give out some DVDs with resources, notes, different software for creating videos, for doing each and everything that the teachers desire.
Special thanks would go to administration, Chebambe Girls, for allowing us organizing and hosting a regional workshop for the first kind to be organized by the ICT teachers themselves. And special thanks also would go to the national executive, the national coordinator for ITAU, and Mr. Kasule Bernard, who has been making ends meet to make sure that the workshop becomes a success.
So we want to thank the school which hosted us, the head teacher of Chebambe Girls, and all the other schools which have already hosted us. So we want to thank them a lot. We want to thank all the sponsors, all the supporters who have already been supporting this. And we want to encourage all teachers out there, one, to register with the association on the website, then two, to join us in other workshops which are coming up. We have a workshop in Lila at Dr. Mote College this Saturday on 13th July 2018, and there we are going to be focusing on programming, which is another area where teachers have challenges. We shall have that, and then we shall also look at innovation in schools and other inspirational topics in their time. Then also we are going to have another workshop in Jinja at the College in Miri. That's going to be Friday 19th July. There we are going to be focusing on databases. It is also another area where teachers have challenges. We are going to be on databases and also some little programming there. So,
the words of encouragement, I would encourage other regions to also organize the same workshops, because Western has already made it. We managed to get different teachers from different corners, like one was from Kono, those from Kabale, those from Kanungu. There were different teachers from different areas of Uganda.
I should also say that, members, whenever we are called upon for these workshops, let at least sacrifice. Let us make it to there. There are many things that we are always learning out of these workshops. On that day, we talked about, I remember talking about your network being your net worth. Members, if we can all come together, we share together, let us share the little that we have. Trust me, we are going to move ICT to the next level. So let us not give up. Let us make sure that ICT is at the top. And then the other thing is that as ICT teachers, let us always make sure that we are up to date. Why? Because since the ICT field is dynamic, what we know today might disappear tomorrow, and a learner might come up with a new idea which you don't know. See how the learner challenges you. So that's why I'm saying it is always important as ICT teachers to always keep on updating ourselves. And then how do we do this? It is through having workshops and these other small discussion groups that we're always having. That's why I'm saying your net worth, your network is your net worth. Thank you, members, for everything. Hope to see you soon. We are having other regional workshops. On 13th July, there is one in Lira. We have another one in Jinja. So let me hope, members, we shall link up again during those other workshops. Thank you very much. Thank you and thank you. I cannot forget to thank members who are behind all this innovation. The ITAU executive, thank you very much. And please let us keep on coordinating to make sure that ICT moves to the greater heights.
I call upon the ministry and the UCC to continue partnering with us, because if we can make it, we can organize a regional workshop as ICT teachers ourselves. That means if the ministry and UCC had a hand, it would have been better than how we did it. Thanks to Mr. Mkalele Rogers and the Vice President of ITAU, that is Chams Ronald, for making it and representing the National Executive.